Thank you for the opportunity to say a few words. Firstly, I'd like to thank the Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring an event, and also KFI Global for presenting. The seminar we've just had over the last 5 days is money management, financial management, financial awareness, conducted by Marilyn Pinto as part of the KFI Global group. It was exceptionally well received by students. It's really a skill set that I think carries people through life. It's an important skill set to have. Understanding money and finance, I think, is critical to business, and also on a personal level, personal finances obviously as you go forward and enter into contracts for mortgages and cars and so on. So I think these are skills that will be very much valued by our students. So once again, thank you for the Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this event. We really appreciate the help and assistance that you've provided, and also the wonderful work that Marilyn has done through the KFI Global group. So thank you very much on behalf of Curtin Dubai, and hopefully we can repeat and do again next year. So thank you very much.